Hey there! Ever press your unlock button and get absolute silence? It's a sinking feeling. For automobile owners, a non-responsive key fob isn't just annoying, it can leave you stranded. Is the remote broken, or did it just lose its pairing with your car? Today on Sure Lock & Key, we're covering the essential how to reprogram a key fob, step-by-step guide to get you back on the road fast. Step-by-step guide, how to reprogram a key fob. Before you start, ensure your battery is fresh. Then, try this method used for many vehicles. Step 1. Secure the vehicle. Enter your car and close all doors. This signals the car's computer that you are ready to program. Step 2. Ignition mode. Insert your key and turn it to the on position. Note, do not start the engine. Just ensure the dashboard lights turn on. Step 3. Initiate pairing. While the key is in the on position, press and hold the lock button on your remote for 1 to 3 seconds. Step 4. Cycle the system. Turn the key to off and back to on rapidly. Repeat this a few times. If the door locks cycle, click-clack, you have successfully reset the key fob. Did the steps fail? Don't panic. Modern vehicles often use encrypted signals or require OBD diagnostic ports for security. Repeated guessing can trigger anti-theft lockouts. That's where Sure Lock & Key comes in. Our mobile locksmiths have the professional software to program new remotes and transponder keys on site for almost any make or model. Don't let a tech glitch ruin your day. Sure Lock & Key is here 24/7 to help. Call us or visit our full guide. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more security tips. Stay safe.